Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Strasburg Railroad Part 3. 611, the Norfolk and Western streamline locomotive is going to be coming by. Please stand by. Only thing I know that it's on its way, and it usually takes about a minute or two to get up here from the station. So, stand by for some live action. Here it comes. You see that smoke right there? To the right corner, right up there. That's 611 right there. So stand by for some live action. Here it comes.